Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. I am your English teacher. Students, today we will revise chapter number 23, Verbs Future Time. It's on page number 107 of your Grammar Tree Book 6. Simple Future Tense. The simple future is used to talk about events that are yet to happen or will happen in the time to come. It's formed with will or shall plus the base form of the main verb. Students, the simple future tense is a tense that is used to talk about the things that haven't happened yet, that will happen in the coming time. Students, सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस इन इवेंट्स के बारे में बात करने के लिए यूज होता है जो अभी होने वाले हैं या आने वाले वक्त में होंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई शैल गो टू लंदन एंड शी विल पार्टिसिपेट इन द टूर्नामेंट. यूजेस ऑफ शैल एंड विल. Shall is used with I or we and will is used with you, he, she, it, they. Students, shall फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर और प्लूरल के साथ यूज होता है जबकि will सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर और प्लूरल के साथ यूज किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I shall leave for Karachi tomorrow. Will they make the payment before the end of the month? Using shall. Students, shall is also used in different ways. It is used in the following situations. Number 1, to express a threat, promise or command. Students, shall जो है वो धमकी देने के लिए, वादा करने के लिए या फिर हुक्म देने के लिए यूज किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he shall be sorry for what he has done. Students, this example is used to refer a threat. Number 2, you shall get a rich reward for holding your tongue. Here the speaker is making a promise. Number 3, you shall not leave without my permission. This example is used to give an order. Okay students, another use of shall is to ask questions for opinion, suggestions or to know the listener's wish. Students, इसके अलावा shall सवाल पूछने, राय देने और listener की wish जानने के लिए भी यूज किया जाता है. For example, shall I help you with the luggage? Students, here speaker wants to know the wish of the second person. Number 2, which plot of land shall I buy? Students, here speaker is asking about the opinion of listener. Number 3, where shall we go for a holiday? Students, this sentence is used to take the suggestion of the listener. Using will. It is used in the following situations. Students, as I told you, will is used with second person and third person singular and plural. But it is also used in the situations that you can see on your screen. Number 1, to express a wish or an assurance. Students, we can use will with any subject to express a wish or an assurance. For example, I will help you and I will do better next time. Students, here speaker is assured that he will do this work. Number 2, to express a possibility or expectation. Students, when we want to express a possibility of any work or expectation of anything, we use will with all pronouns. For example, she will not return so soon. Number 2, she will call any moment now. Number 3, to offer an invitation or make a request. Students, we also use will to offer an invitation or to make a request. For example, will you have tea with me? And will you lend me your book? Students, now we will read about the formation of the simple future tense, positive or assertive sentence. It is formed with the will or shall with the base form of the main verb. Students, to form the assertive sentence of simple future tense, we use base form of the main verb, and will or shall is used as an auxiliary verb. Students, सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस के असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस में वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज की जाती है और विल और शैल को हेल्पिंग वर्ब के तौर पर यूज किया जाता है. Students, here you can see the structure of the sentence. First we write the subject, then helping verb will or shall will is used with the base form of the main verb, and at the end we write the object. For example, I will inform the students about the change in the schedule. Number 2, they will go to Africa. Negative sentence. It is formed with will or shall plus not plus the base form of the main verb. Students, to form negative sentences, we use not with the auxiliary verb plus base form of the main verb. स्टूडेंट्स, नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब के साथ नॉट यूज करते हैं और वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज की जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई शैल नॉट डू दिस वर्क. नंबर 2, दे विल नॉट अलाउ एनी डिस्टर्बेंस. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. It is formed with will or shall plus subject plus the base form of the main verb. Students, interrogative sentences starts with an auxiliary verb, then subject plus the base form of the main verb and object is written. Students, interrogative sentences helping verb से शुरू किए जाते हैं, उसके बाद subject, verb की first form और आखिर में object लिखा जाता है. For example, will you submit your homework? Number 2, will she participate in the match? Uses of the simple future tense. Students, now we will read about the uses of the simple future tense. Let's begin. Number 1, events that are yet to happen. Students, सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस ऐसे इवेंट्स को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए यूज होता है जो कि होने वाले हैं, यानी आने वाले वक्त में वो होंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे विल नॉट अटेंड द मीटिंग. सेकेंड यूज इज द पॉसिबल आउटकम ऑफ एन एक्शन. स्टूडेंट्स, किसी भी एक्शन का रिएक्शन डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए भी सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू विल स्लिप एंड फॉल इफ यू आर नॉट केयरफुल ऑन द वेट फ्लोर. थर्ड यूज इज थिंग्स दैट विल हैपन एज अ रेगुलर फिनोमिनन. स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसी चीजें, ऐसे काम जो कि बाकायदगी से शेड्यूल के मुताबिक होते हैं, वो उनको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए भी सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस यूज किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द चिल्ड्रन विल कम बैक फ्रॉम स्कूल इन एन आवर. स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव ब्रीफली रिवाइज्ड द सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. Now you have to do the exercise that you can see on your screen. Fill in the blanks with the simple future form of the verbs given in the brackets. Students, here each sentence has a verb in the bracket. You have to fill in the blanks with the simple future form of the given verb. Number 1, I dash the house tomorrow. Given verb is clean. Number 2, they dash for the concert right now. Given verb is leave. Number 3, she dash to your email by tonight. Verb is respond. Number 4, I hope that they dash out to the orphanage by tomorrow. Given verb is reach. We dash to the mall in the evening. Given verb is go. The summer sale dash tomorrow morning. Verb is begin. Number 7, the baby dash his nap keeping us awake. Here given verb is take. Number 8, she dash a new mobile tomorrow. Here given verb is buy. Number 9, the customer care dash us because they do not know what to do. Here given verb is help. Number 10, the band dash any more songs because they are tired. In this sentence, given verb is sing. Students, here some sentences of simple future tense are given. You have to translate these sentences into English. Number 1, वो अपने जुर्म का एतराफ़ करेगी. Number 2, एक मछेरा कल मछलियाँ पकड़ेगा. Number 3, क्या कल बारिश होगी. Number 4, क्या कुत्ते रात को नहीं भौंकेंगे. Number 5, मेरा भाई नई गाड़ी नहीं खरीदेगा. Students, this is the end of today's lecture. Watch all the slides thoroughly. Then do exercise and translation in your English language copy. Inshallah, we will revise another topic in the next session. Thank you. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.